In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zip download of WordPress posts and pages. This method is especially helpful if you're looking to export an entire collection of posts or pages, complete with media files, into a single, easily manageable file. The quickest and most effective way to achieve this is by using a plugin, which simplifies what is otherwise a pretty complex process. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in the names of some popular export plugins like WP All Export or Export Media with selected content. These plugins are highly regarded in the WordPress community for their efficiency and user-friendly interface. Once you've located a plugin that suits your needs, ensure it has a good rating and a substantial number of active installations. These are often good indicators of reliability and performance. Once you're satisfied with your choice, simply click on Install Now. After the installation is completed, the button will change to Activate. Click on that, and the plugin will be ready to work its magic. With the plugin activated, you'll observe a new menu item added to your WordPress dashboard. If you're using WP All Export, for instance, you'll now see an All Export option. Click this and proceed to New Export. This action will initiate the process of setting up your export. Moving forward, the plugin will prompt you to select the type of content you wish to export. Here, you can choose posts or pages, depending on what you're looking to download. There's also an interesting feature that allows you to apply filters. This means you can export only specific posts, such as those from a particular category, perfect for keeping your zip file focused and relevant. Next up is configuring the export. You'll be presented with a series of options, allowing you to pick which fields will be included in the final export file. Since we're aiming to create a comprehensive zip file, it's crucial to ensure that any media attachments, such as images, are also included. Most plugins will feature an option labeled Include Images or Include Media Files. Make sure this is checked to avoid leaving any important elements behind. With your selections made, it's time to run the export. Simply click on the Export button. The plugin will get to work, processing everything you've selected and packaging it neatly into a zip file. This file will contain all your posts or pages in a downloadable HTML or XML format, along with a separate folder for all the media files associated with them. And there you have it, a seamless way to collate and download your WordPress posts and pages, all zipped up and ready to go. I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our content for other helpful WordPress tips and tricks.